Welcome to Las Vegas Modern Kung Fu channel. This is Sifu JJ. Today I'm very excited to present you the part 4 of baji quan. Welcome back for the tutorial of baji quan part 4. So today we're gonna break down some basics and techniques to training and put them together to achieve the part 4 of baji quan. You go boom and push back. So once you punch right here, someone grabbing you, so your hand on left and really tight front here and go push boom, down with power. You go boom, push. So you say your right hand to make a circle, a left hand under. Then make a circle around. Go really stay tall, the sky. So your right hand go up and become low stance. And the power from top and go down and push. So push with your stance. So like a swimming horse stance. So bend your knee right this way and this way, a little bit link in, like that power. And yeah. I say left hand 1 and right hand 2 to make a circle. So make your both hands flat and step your right and go in power to attack back. You go your palm to attack back. You step left, very solid and strong. And left hand open. And your right hand become face and very strong. So lean your body forward and your heel up. This generate more power and go boom right there and go boom. Right? So you go cross your both hand and then there's a face tight and then where stance and stand up and you go attack both sides with your palm. Right? So your right hand to make a circle. You step your right, make a run, and quick your left hand on front, and your right hand become palm on your waist, and your feet together, push. One, left hand on top, and step back, go 1, 2, and 2, you step back, sit, move, and push. Great. And next move, your right hand circle, and down and feet together. Right hand go up and push down. Okay, great. After 1 left and 2 right and step your right. You go attack back. Very nice. And after that, you step left and your right hand with your power elbow and together with your elbow shoot double for that. Great work. And your right hand to make a circle. And you step your right, quick adjust your left, and open your left hand, and fist together with power. Hope you enjoy the part 4 of baji quan. So the internal Chinese traditional form. So remember that to start a move by move. You got that basics right. So training the basics 1, repeat 100 times until you feel the power how to step, and then you move the next move for the basics 2, 3, 4, and then you put that together. That's the best way to achieve any kind of Kung Fu. That's how I teach my students in life. Thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed the video. I see you in next video. Don't forget to subscribe. I love you all. Bye bye.